Hey, do you want to know how to make this app? Well, before I show you how to make the app, I'm gonna show you how the app works. As you saw from the example, you have to type in a text in this box and then type in a color that you want the text to be. Then, in these options, you can change the box background to any color you want. So now that I've showed you guys an example of what this app is supposed to do, let's get into the designing. So guys, for this designing, you will need 6 labels, 1 text area, 3 sliders, 1 drop down menu. So guys, after designing, you would obviously want to get into the coding. So this is the coding. As you can see, there is a long line of the code. Let me show you. Yeah, the code is really long and really huge. So I'm easily going to go through this code with you guys. As you can see, there are a lot of on events. So you're gonna need about 7 on events. So you go to the UI controls and you take out 7 on events from the UI controls. Then you take out set properties and use it for the text area. You then have to copy and paste it but change the ID to slider 2 for the second one, and for the third one change the ID to slider 3. Then there's going to be a little slot right about here. Let me show you. Well, there's gonna be a little slot right here. I can't show it to you because the scroll menu thing isn't right there, so yeah. So it's gonna be a little slot right there that has another number. You take RGB, which you have to scroll down and get it. RGB is right here. Then you take something called get number. You scroll and look for get number. Get number is right here. You take it and then you place it on each on event options. So now that we've gotten over the first step, let's get into the second step. The second step is the math. The second step is when you start using the plus and minus symbol, just like I showed in the example when I was using the app. As I said before, you take an on event block and place it right underneath line 11. Then you go to variables. You grab this x equals blank and put it right here. Then you do x plus 5. That's where the plus symbol comes in. Then you put set properties text area 1 font size x. And then you copy it. And then you place it right at the bottom. And then after you are done copying this part and you place it below it right where it says 18, it's the same thing, but you have to add a minus symbol. So in this case it'll be x equals x minus 5, and then set properties text area 1 font size x, just like the same thing we did on line 14. Okay guys, so let's move on to the last step. As you see here where it says on events, drop down input, you add that. The ID will be drop down 1 input. Then you add set property text area 1 font family get text drop down 1. So guys, this is the code. So before I end this video, I just wanted to teach you guys how to copy, because throughout this video I kept saying copy this and copy that. So I'm going to teach you how to copy your work. First, pick something you want to copy. I'm going to copy this first on event block. So first you click you double tap out of the box, then you double tap out of the block box, and then you quickly shift to the place where you want to be copied. So this is what I mean, like that. And then when it turns blue, you click Control C on your laptop or computer to copy it, and then you click Control V to paste it. Sometimes it doesn't work, but that means you have to like keep trying. So it just got copied. As you can see right here, it got copied because there are two slider ones. So I'm going to delete this this second block right here. So guys, now that we are done with the coding and the designing, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after. Click on the box, type in anything random, like whatever you want. Then type in the color you want the text to be. I'm going to make the color to be pink this time. And then the color change to pink, as you can see. Then for this, if you want the background to be like that, you can like make it. And if you want the font size to increase, you click the plus. If you want it to decrease, you click the minus. And this, it just changed like the way the text looks. So yeah. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.